Hi, Josh Dele, everyone. So here, today I'm recording Sumjik Jenki Yikejudun. Now we have head letters and attached letters. So we did whole thing, right? So Sum means three, Jek means like built up, or here we can say attach, okay? So uh, I will show you how to read, how to make a sound. Okay, so first one, ra, kata, ka. First, you have to make sound with the head letter and main letter, and then you have to put a attached letter. Okay, so ra, kata, ka, ka, yata, kya, like this. And then second one, ra, khada, ga. So here, ga sound, because of the head letter, ka sound changed to ga, right? And then ga, yada, gya. Okay, next one. Sa, kata, ka. Ka, yada, kya. Okay, next. Sa, khada, ga. Ga, yada, gya. Gya. Next one. Sa, pata, pa. Pa, yada, cha. Cha. Okay. The next one. Sa, mada, ma. Ma. Because of head letter, ma sound changed to ma sound, right? And then ma, yada, nya. Okay. And then next one. Sa, pada, ba. Ba, yada, ja. Okay. And the next one with the radak. Sa, kata, ka. Ka, rata, tra. Tra sound. Okay. Sa, khada, ga. Ga, rata, da. Da. So hard sound. Da, like this. Okay. Next one. Sa, nada, na. Na, rada, na. Here no change, right? Sa, next one. Sa, pata, pa. Pa, rada, tra. Okay, then next one. Sa, pada, ba. Ba, rada, da. So da. Next. Sa, mada, ma. Ma, rada, ma. Okay, next one. Ra, zata, za. Za, wasur, za. Next one. Ra, mata, ma. Ma, yada, nya. Nya. Okay. Next one. Ka, rada, ta. Ta, wasur, ta. So because wasur didn't change the sound, right? And then next one. Pa, yada, cha. Cha, wasur, cha. So we have to read like this, okay? And then next examples. So first one. Sa, kata, ka. Ka, rata, ta. Ta means here, right? Here. Okay, and then ra, zata, za. Za, wasur, ta. So za was with the wasur, ta means grass. The next one, sa mada ma, ma yada nya, nya shubju nyu, ka shubju ku, nyuku, nyuku. So nyuku means pen. Next one, pa yada cha, sa kada ga, ga rada da, da naro do, chado, sa pada pa, pa naro po, la naro lo, chado polo. So chado polo means badminton. These are the sound of a head letter with main letter and attached letter together, how we read. Also, everyone. So we will see in the next video. If you are watching new, and please don't forget to subscribe.